shining, 60 degrees, some sunshine. Take a ride down to the dealership. Oh, well, spring is upon us, so hopefully be riding a whole lot more soon. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Smells nice and fresh out. All right. Was not anticipating this nice weather, so figured I'd get out for a little quickie. Head out to the dealership and see if they got that brand new CVO Road Glide ST, the black. I want to see that black up close and personal. I was out there not too long ago with the boys, and they had the white one out, so see if the black one came in. I'm pretty sure it came in. I saw it on their website, so we'll see, or on their social media page. Well, February is slowly coming to an end. Short month. Can't believe it's about to be March already. It's freaking crazy. Time flies, man, for sure. Golly, school must be getting out. Actually, it is getting out. My wife just left to pick up the kids, and all right. You know, for someone who talks a lot, it's been really hard for me to find to just vlog. I don't know why. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny when you find a Portuguese that's who doesn't have a lot to say. But it's a beautiful day out. It's about 61, 62 degrees. Clear skies, the roads are clear. Head down to the dealership, check out Paradise Harley, and like I was saying, go check out that new, see if that, I'm pretty sure the new CVO came in, the Road Glide, the black one. I just want to see that black up close and personal. And yeah, see how the team's doing over there, and let's get this ride in. But it's a beautiful day out, and like I said, man, spring is upon us. It's so crazy how 2024 is just moving right along. Kind of a trip. But yeah, buddy. Look at that. Hold on. But not a whole lot going on. I was on a little bit. Brian the biker had Big Smitty on his live last night on YouTube, and absolutely love those two guys. So I was able to hop on for a few minutes and say what's up. But I know a lot of people have been reaching out because I guess I've just been sharing, or Brian's been sharing, that I'm going out to the East Coast, out to Jersey for the Baggers and Brews event. You know, it's the beard in Georgia and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys are around July 13th, it's a Saturday, so I'll probably fly out I don't know, Thursday afternoon, evening, get together with Brian, just kind of see what how things work with his schedule. But looking forward to just seeing, there's gonna be a bunch of motovloggers out there, and just people in general that don't have YouTube and just on social media, who just been kind of, you know, reaching out, asking if I was coming out. So it's going to be nice to just kind of meet everybody in person. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a really amazing turnout. I think it's the third year they're putting it on, and I know last year they had a great turnout, so it'd be nice to kind of see how well it does this year. I just love that they're putting something on, you know, something that they're doing annually that people on that side, you know, the country can look forward to. But yeah, so it's in Jersey, gonna fly out. Depending on what we got going on with the kids and summer and stuff like that, I might be heading out straight from there, the East Coast, golly, to fly out back home to Hawaii. So we'll see. Everything's all up in the air, but just looking forward to actually making plans to actually go out to this thing. So I actually have an event that I'm gonna make this year, and you know, I've talked about doing Sturgis again. I think I'm gonna do it next year, 2025, and I might even ride up with a few people from here, from Oregon, out to Sturgis. So looking forward to that too, being a possibility and making that happen. But outside of that, just living life, man. Feeling blessed. Everything is going really well. Health is good, family's good, work's good, business is good, everything's good. But definitely, oh god, but definitely looking forward to you know, more better days for riding and just making it out there. Golly, man, I forgot how simple this stock seat is, but took the Saddleman solo seat off. I had the knuckle seat on here, which is an amazing seat. Put about 8,000 miles on it. So I got the stock seat back on here with the pillion, and believe it or not, I actually just ordered a sissy bar. I kind of would like to take the kids out, you know, nothing crazy, but I'm always so just worried about them being on the back of the bike. You know, I take them on the Shadow all the time, but you know, Harley is a different beast, so I definitely don't want to be take any chances of, you know, taking off and one of the kids falling off the back. So just for a safety precaution, I went ahead and ordered a sissy bar from Suicide Choppers. I'm not gonna lie, it's from what I hear, it's a great sissy bar. I've seen a couple up close and personal, and they're really built tough. A little on the pricey end, but I think, you know, in the end, it's something that I'll own forever and we'll probably have on the bike you know, for a long time. So I went ahead and invested in, you know, getting that bad boy. So looking forward to that coming in. Spoke to Mike over the phone from Suicide Choppers before I ordered it. Super nice guy, great customer service. So yeah, great customer service. So looking forward to that bad boy coming in and getting it on the bike and taking the kids for a spin. I know they'll really enjoy that. It's kind of funny because one of the first things I changed out was the stock seat. Took the stock seat with the pillion off and slapped that Saddleman solo seat on. Really comfortable seat too. So I don't know, I'm still looking at sticking with Saddleman, possibly getting a step up later on down the road, we'll see. But looking forward to getting that Suicide Chopper sissy bar though. I think it'll be a great look on the Fat Boy. So pretty sure I'll have a video out on that too once it gets in. I don't know if I really noticed it before, but man, this helmet is loud. Maybe because I don't have my music on, because I haven't slapped the camera on in a while. So it could be that. Anyway, who knows? That's what I should be doing right there, is running. It's nice to be vlogging again, man. I must tell you though, if you're thinking about being a vlogger, or if you're a vlogger now, I think it's probably good to at least have some stuff ready, not just shoot from the hip. I love doing stuff that's not planned, because I always feel like things work out the best when you do that. But you know, you should have at least, I don't know, an intro, something to talk about, so there's not so much wasted space. But quite honestly, it's just good to have the camera back on the helmet and, you know, shoot the shit, see the sights. Oh, oh, these bad boys. Damn, what seat is that? Okay, fat boy. Got the Screaming Eagle on there. Still rocking the 240. Get a 260, kid. I always like to see other fat boys and how they're built up. Alright, no dice. CBO Road Glide ST in black. Alright, fam. Super frustrated. Lost a lot of my footage. I had no idea where it went. Totally remember this day. I don't remember any batteries dying or what's going on, but that's something I've been noticing a lot since I started vlogging again. And I don't know if it's media mod, GoPro's media mod, or what it is, but I am begging for you all to reach out to me and let me know what it is you're using, because I can't have, it's frustrating. Like, I got some good stuff and now I don't know where this stuff is. I'm like over editing, thought I had everything in Final Cut Pro, and yeah, and I'm short, like literally, you know, 20-25 minutes of footage that I thought I had. So I apologize, but I'll let you know right now, the black Road Glide ST was not there. I've seen the white one, which is amazing. Some of you who follow the channel probably seen that on social media, on Instagram, but I really wanted to see the black one up close and personal, and I've yet to see it, but it wasn't there. It was definitely worth the trip though. I saw some of my buddies that work there. It's always great to see them. Paradise has been selling bikes left and right, especially the 2024 lineup. So if you guys are interested, thinking about getting some new, or just thinking about getting a bike in general, go check them out. Go check out Bryce. That's out over there. There's a bunch of folks that are there that are really good at what they do. So just hit up anybody at Paradise and they'll get you going. But let me know, are you guys using, obviously I helmet, GoPro's on the helmet. I use the media mod so that I can connect my, my mic to the media mod while I'm on the bike, and then take it off the bike, and I'm just using this. But for whatever reason, I don't know if this is killing my batteries or what's going on, but I've had this since day one. So help. What are you guys using? Should I go away from this bad boy? Should I just keep doing this? I see a lot of folks have the Rode mics that are wireless, and I hear the quality is great. I watched a couple of videos on it. It looks like a great product. But if there's something, obviously it's a little pricey too. So if you guys are, please, if you're willing to share what it is you guys are using, let me know, because this is frustrating. So thanks for tuning in. I apologize. I know this is the ending that I was looking forward to. But it is what it is. I have no idea where that footage went, but I'm like here editing and I'm like, what is going on? So weird interruption, but I'm just trying to keep it real, and just figured, I definitely want to drop this video, and figured I'd reach out to you guys and get some helpful tips. Just any suggestions, anything, just let me know. As always too, feedback is always great. So you guys know what to do, man. Show your boy some love. Give me a little like, comment, maybe a little subscribe action, but appreciate it. More to come. Thanks for hanging in there, and you guys know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread the love, people. We need it. Fat boy out. Boom bang.